Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Accent Wall Ideas 2025. Transform your space with stunning feature walls. Looking to give your space a fresh, modern update? One of the most impactful ways to transform a room is by adding a bold accent wall. In 2025, accent walls are more than just a pop of color. They're artistic, innovative, and designed to make a statement. From textured finishes to dramatic patterns and natural materials, this year's trends are all about creating eye-catching focal points that elevate the style of any room. Ready to explore the hottest accent wall ideas for 2025? Let's dive in. Accent walls are a fantastic way to bring depth, personality, and focus to any room. In 2025, design trends are pushing the boundaries of what an accent wall can be, turning these features into true works of art. Whether you're drawn to bold patterns, natural textures, or minimalist styles, there's an accent wall idea that will suit your aesthetic. If these accent wall ideas have sparked your creativity, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more home design inspiration. Hit the like button and let us know in the comments which accent wall trend you're most excited to try. Your feedback helps us bring you the best design tips and ideas. In 2025, accent walls are stepping up as bold, stylish elements that can completely transform your space. Whether you choose natural textures, vibrant patterns, or rich colors, the right accent wall will add depth and interest to any room. It's the perfect way to express your personal style while enhancing the overall aesthetic of your home. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more exciting interior design trends in our upcoming videos.